Hello, I'm going to talk very briefly today about the new Playbook emulator for Flex Burrito. This is a product. Hasn't yet been launched, but it will be a BlackBerry product from Research in Motion. This is what it looks like on the screen. So this is actually running in VMware. I wanted to walk you through very quickly what one needs to do to get this thing rolling. There's more instructions, and I'll give those on my website as to how you get everything set up. But first thing you need to do once you've got everything rolling is to just get your password. So let me do that. You can see that the emulator pulls up a keyboard there. I'm actually just using my computer keyboard to do this. Probably typed the wrong password now. See if that works. Yep. So we need to set this to development mode to actually be able to debug and run from Flex or Flash Builder 4, the Burrito version, as I mentioned. So let's just set that password, and we should be good to go. Let's just close it up, and you'll see we've got a bunch of menu options here. Obviously, none of this is populated at the minute, but this would be populated with various items, applications. I'm just gonna we'll pop over to Burrito. Flash Builder and just run things. It takes a minute for things to come in, so we'll see how long that takes. Let's just walk through a couple of other things in here. You'll see when we get into development mode, you've got the hammer icon just there, and you saw me click on this tools option where you can actually set the time and you can set the password and a variety of other things. When the application comes up, as it is now, I'll show you some other shortcut things we can do to emulate the actual device itself. There was a debug error there, so I just got rid of that. You'll see the application coming in now. Now I'm a Flex developer that builds mapping applications. So this is an ArcGIS, an ESRI ArcGIS map application that I've written in Flex. The data I'm using is actually from the United Nations. And I'm overlaying that on an ESRI roads base map. So you can see it's a fully interactive map, and let me just show one rather neat thing about this. You saw that pop back. I actually used a base class that was written by Mansour at ESRI, which sets the initial extent to be the only extent you can stick to. You can't zoom out at that extent. You can't pan beyond that extent. So that's kind of nice if you want users just to be stuck to be located in one particular area. Then we can set that. So that was nice that I was able to do that. But it's fully functional, as I say. You can pan it. We can zoom here, and you'll see it's pretty quick. We actually lost some of that. Let's just zoom back out so we don't lose some of those items there. There we go. And we can pan that, and it has that just really nice pan action that the ESRI have introduced into their new SWICs, rather. I've added a few funky things. This is kind of work in progress, so I'm showing it rather somewhat premature, but I've added my company name, which is WebMap Solutions. I've added arcGIS Playbook Viewer, which is just the title of it. I've added a toolbar here, and I've just experimented whether I can actually hide the thing or not. This will be set to full extent once I've got it fully functioning. I've got a layer list here as well, which pops up into the right hand corner. Not populated at the minute, but it will be. It will show all the layers as you're used to seeing in the ArcGIS Flex viewers, and we can get rid of that. I'm also planning to port over the overview map as well, and that'll populate this area here. So really nice application. It's going to be really exciting rather to actually build these kind of applications on the real device, and I actually do plan on not this application. I've written another one which I'm going to submit to Research in Motion, and they're actually giving away these tablets, these Playbook tablets, before they're released. So anyone out there that wants to build some of this stuff, go for it, because I think they're going to give these things away. I'll let you know in another video, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. But it'd be nice to build this thing on the actual device itself. But again, you can do there's a whole lot of different things one can do. Close the application, completely like that. We can bring up the keyboard like that. So there's a whole load of good things you can do in the emulator, but at the minute I'm very much focused on building additional mapping and GIS application for the emulator. So I'll release another video when I've done another one, and I'll let you know how I get on with getting a free Playbook tablet. So thanks for watching.